You are welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be solving series of questions. It will be a series of videos as well on the topic scale, construction of scale. We're going to solve 3 questions on plane scale and 2 questions on diagonal scale. Now, the first question 1, construct a scale of 2 centimeter equal 1 meter to read up to 6 meter in decimeter. Definitely, how do you know that this scale is plane scale? It is plane scale because it will read only 2 meter, 6 meter, meter and decimeter, meter and decimeter. So that means it can read up to 1 decimal place, up to 1 decimal place. But if it is in diagonal scale, like in question 4, for example, which is that we should construct a scale of 3 centimeter equal 1 decimeter to read up to 4 decimeter in centimeter and millimeter. So there are 3 scale: decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. So that means this one can read up to 2 decimal places. So let's go back to our question number 1. So we will first of all determine the length of scale of the length of the scale. So we said the ratio is 2 centimeter equal 1 meter. 2 centimeter equal 1 meter. So ratio is equal to 2 centimeter to 1 meter. Therefore, representative fraction RF will be equal to 2 centimeter all over 1 meter. Then let us convert the two ratio. Let's convert the 2 to millimeter. So this will be equal to 10 millimeter all over. Convert 1 meter to millimeter, it will be 1000 millimeter. So millimeter cancel millimeter, 0 cancel 0. So we have the RF is equals to 1 all over 100. Now length of scale LS will be equal to the maximum measurable length on the scale. Let us check that. It says to read up to 6 meter. So 6 meter is the maximum measurable length on the scale. So you now use that 6 meter as length of scale. So that will be 6 meter times representative fraction, which is 1 all over 100. Now convert this one to millimeter, it will be 6000 times 1 all over 100. So let's see where there's something. Oh, sorry, this place is 2 cm, so it will be 20, not 2. So it is 20. So 2 here 1, 2 here, it will be 50. So it is actually 1 over 50, not 100. 1 over 50, not 100. 1 over 50. So 0 will cancel 0. 5 here 1, 5 in 60, 12 in 0, 0. So the LS will be equal to 120 millimeter. That's the length of scale. So let us now construct our scale. The first thing we're going to do is to draw a line which is equal to, starting from here, and move it up a little, from 13. Then I'll count 12. 13 to 23 is 10, 11, 12. This is 12 millimeter from here. So that place is 12 millimeter. So you draw a vertical line at the two ends. Draw vertical lines at the 2 ends like this. Then along that vertical line, measure 1 cm. Measure 1 cm. This is 1 cm. Then I'll use my T-square to draw it across like this. So after doing this, now the next thing is to draw a scale line. We're going to divide this 120 into 6 equal parts. Let's see the question again. It says to read up to 6 meters. So this 6 will determine the number of places we're going to divide our 120 mm. So it will be 6 parts. We're going to divide it into 6 parts. So, and to do that, just draw a scale line at any angle of your choice, like this. Then on that line, you measure 6 equal distances. You mark 6 equal distances. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after you have measured the 6 equal distances, you can use one set square to join the last end, the 6th one, to the last end of the line, like this. You join like this. Now you transfer that line to the other parts. It has shifted. Let me adjust it again. So shift it to this one. Draw that. Shift it to the next, like this. Shift it to the next, like this. Make sure by the time you are doing this set square at the bottom is fixed. It is not shaking. So that's when your lines will be parallel and they will be equal. The divisions will be equal. This one and the last one, this. So we have successfully divided the line into 6 equal parts. So what do we do now? I'll now project vertical lines from all these points of division. This point, this one, this, and this. So to draw vertical line, use combination of your T-square and set square. You put it like this and you draw vertical line. Take it to the next one, vertical line. Take it to the next, vertical. Take it to the next. Make sure your T-square is standing firmly. Yes, we have succeeded in dividing the length of scale into 6 equal parts. Now, the first part, this place will be 0. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget this place, the unit will be meter. And this will be the point of the decimeter. So you know that 10 decimeter make 1 meter. So we have to divide this one into 10. Because normally each of the division is 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, up to the end. But because we want to get smaller unit of the meter, which is decimeter, that's why we need to divide this one into 10 equal parts so that we can have 0.1 meter, 0.2 meter, up to 0.9 and 1 meter. So let us do that. We have to draw another scale line again at the top. This time around at the top, like this. Another way you can do your marking is just to measure 11 cm or whatever you like. I want to use 11 cm to mark my point. So it will be, no, let me use 0.5, 55 mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've marked, because I want to divide the distance between here and here into 10 equal parts. That's why I've marked 10 points here. So this one now, you join the last one, which is this one, to this end first, like this. You join it like this, like this. Then I'll place my other set square at the bottom. Don't allow it to shift once you have placed it. So you can now move it yourself. Move the one at the top like this, move it to the next one, like this, move it to the next, this, this, so move it gently, this, we are dividing into 10 equal parts, this, we are dividing into 10 equal parts, that's the 8th one, the 9th one, and the 10th one. So now all these points like this, we need to bring them vertically downward. You bring them vertically downward, one after the other. I place it on this one, vertically downward, and next one, vertically downward, the next one, vertically downward. Be careful. So vertically downward, downward, downward,